Hey, welcome back, EUC Learn Along. So we have a whole environment set up that we can do anything with. So now we're going to set up Citrix UPM profile containers. So I went ahead and spun up just a all-purpose server. We're going to be using it in conjunction with a lot of things. Went ahead and powered on our environment. Let's go ahead. Let's get started. So we got the new server stood up. It's already on domain. IP'd it, all that good stuff you've seen. So what we're going to do is we're going to have it storing profiles and other stuff onto not what the OS is on, but a different disk. All right, so it's not initialized. Let's initialize it. Yep. All right, new simple volume. Yep. We're going to call this one P for profiles. Profiles. I like that. 50 gigs, plenty for what we're doing. Maybe we should get a different name. General. How about that? And properties. This is why you always have a plan when you do something. Can I change it here? Oh, maybe I can change it here. How about that? Properties. It's taking me all to the same stuff. I just want to change the drive it sits on. There we go. It's right in front of our face. Change. G. There we go. Yep. That is fine. Clicking on browser for no reason. Appreciate it. All right. So now we're going to do a folder. Profiles. There we go. We need to share it out. So advanced sharing, share this folder, permissions. We're just going to give everyone access. How about that? Oops. Got to do permissions. All right, we're going to disable because we're probably going to do some other things with it. We'll add everyone. There we go. Full control. Not best practice, but hey, it's going to work for us. All right, so if we go here and go to server, what do we see? Profiles. Great. All right, so shared out. We got permissions set. So let's go back to our domain controller. So we had to do some restructuring since we're adding some stuff. Went ahead and broke up the servers. Got our infrastructure server here, Citrix 1, our VDA here. Domain controller still where it's at. Also had to grab the ADMX templates from here. So if you're using the CVAD install for any of these, profile management, ADM templates, there you go. So I've already grabbed those right here. And if we go out to see Windows policy definitions, look at that. Already copied them there. Citrix. There we go. And if we go here, go to our sysvol, under policies, I went ahead and created a shortcut here. Look at that. All right, so let's create a policy. Could be doing this with Citrix policies, but I think we're learning a lot more here. We're going to call it Citrix UPM. Here we go. Great. Let's edit this policy. So I know it's a computer policy, admin template that we just uploaded, profile management. There we go. First one. You want to enable it? Yes. So Citrix UPM, you can do files, folders, all that. I want to do a profile container. Works great. So when we enable it, it tells you right here, you need to put something. So we're going to capture everything with that. So we set an asterisk. No, we're just going to go ahead and capture everything. Profile management. Nope. So I don't want my domain admin account to get one. Path to user store. Enable server. What do we put? Profiles. Yep. And same account name. Yep, we need you right there. Thank you. Apply. Okay. Process. Different groups. Man. All kinds of stuff you can do. Outlook. OneDrive. Customer. Nope. Don't need you. So there's a lot you can do. We're just wanting to get it set up. We'll elaborate and expand upon it later. So we got the policy. It's linked to our VDA. Let's go ahead and restart our VDA. Power, restart. There you go. We got our general purpose server set up. So we're housing profiles here on a separate disk. Kind of fumbled through that, but we got it. We got the G. G for general. All right. Learned some stuff about ADMX, where to copy that, all that good stuff. Create the policy. So there we go. Let's see what happens. Let's log in. Look at that. Stuff's enumerating. Let's see if we get what we want. Cannot start desktop. Well, that's not good. All right, refresh. Let's troubleshoot. Citrix Studio. Yep, I shut you off and powered you back on. Just do some brief troubleshooting. If it doesn't work out in the next minute or so, we'll just go ahead and log in. There we go. Look at that. Just needed to log into it. Well, look at that. Profile management. It's looking good. Look at that. Created a folder for me. Name profile container. Got the OS version. Got a lock file, profile container underscore RW. What is that? I'm assuming it's read write. Looks like our machine has hung up, but no biggie. It has accomplished what we wanted to do. Probably didn't help what we did with the VDA for shutting it off. But let's go back. Let's see if we can reconnect. Nope. Restart. Great. Let's power manage it through here. Let's do a graceful restart. Is this read write disk still attached? Nope. So it is booted me out. Can't power manage, that's right. The way we have it set up. Let's try connecting one more time. How about that? Alright, it's working. There we go, creating the read-write disk. Looks like it's not hanging up. Preparing Windows. Just had a little mishap. Doing this all live. Look at that. Alright, so we're logged in. We got a roaming profile. Yep. Something is wrong. Again, probably doesn't like the way I've powered off this machine and shut it off. But anyhow, we've proved our point. We got Citrix UPM going. We'll, oops. Just going to release this lock here in just a minute. No, oh, it's reconnecting. Look at that. Let's see if it'll reconnect. Continue. Let's just do an app. Let's see if that'll work. I'm registered. Initializing, there we go. Oh, got a minute. All right, it's registered. Let's try it one more time. Let's just try opening an app. Again, with just the app, it should do the same thing. Yep, read write disk. We got Notepad to open. We can type. All right, look at that. So we'll figure out what's going on with that. Oh, XenApp works. Awesome. Don't save. We're going to go to our connection center. Look at that. And it logged off. So anything that was on that read-write disk got written back to our container. And there you go. So we had an issue. We'll identify it later. But this has been a EUC Learn Along.